Hey gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess. Today's video is going to be a new hair review on this company by the name of Klaiyi Hair. This is the first time that I'm reviewing for this company, and this is the unit. If you want to see how I got this start to finish, definitely stay tuned because I'm going to show you an unboxing. I'm going to get into the plucking. I'm going to get into every single detail, the baby hair as well as curling my hair up and applying my unit. So stay tuned if you want to see how I got this look.
Shorty bad, slim big. She might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the.
So really quick, let's do an unboxing. So this is the box that the hair is going to come in. Inside you will get a satin satchel. It's very pretty. And you will also get a bag of goodies. We love bags of goodies. Inside of the bag, you will get a nude wig cap, a tail comb, as well as some silver hoop earrings and some faux mink lashes. And of course, you will get the wig. So this is what the wig is looking like. And I'm just showing you the hair before I wash it. And here's a look at the ends of the hair as well as the cap construction. And it is a 13x4 frontal, and then it has 3 combs and adjustable straps. So really quick, I just want to show you the hair in its natural state. Okay, this is what it looks like after I washed it and brushed through it. Okay, it is absolutely gorgeous. These waves are fire. Depending on what your curly hair routine is, you can make it tighter and it can be curly, but right now it is wavy. Okay, so I am back with my finished look, and I think it is so pretty. I haven't had curls in a really long time, so I'm kind of excited. All right, so let's get into the specs of this wig. This wig is from Klaiyi. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Klaiyi Hair, okay, and this is their natural water wave 13x4 lace frontal closure wig, okay, and it is 150% density, and I have it in 24 inches. They do have an option so that you can get your frontal is a 13x6, and I definitely would suggest that. 13x6 just means it's 13 going across, 13 inches going across, and 6 inches of parting space going backwards. So you would want to get that one, but this one is good as well. It's 4 inches apart in space, and that will definitely suffice. But if I was gonna go for one, I would definitely go for the 13x6 parting space, okay? So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. So this is the hair in all its glory. If you would like to see it in its natural state, I will upload a clip really quick, because I did show it in the video when I was about to start styling, but I decided to do a little bit of curls or something, because I haven't had like an actual style on one of my wigs in a long time, like curls. So I just wanted to see how it looked, and it came out cute. Okay, so it's not doing too much. It's real calm. I love the length. It is long, curled. It is under my boob, so that tells you a lot. This is really long for it to be curled and under my boob. So I can see that this hair will hold a curl, but not for very long. So what I did was I applied this spray. This is the Amika Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. It adds texture to the hair, and you can comb through it, you can still style it, you can do everything. It does not make your hair hard. It definitely helps with holding. So I would definitely recommend this if you want to do some curls. But with this type of hair, I'm definitely gonna wear it in its natural state. I think that the natural state is absolutely beautiful. I just wanted to do some styling for y'all, because I haven't done styling in a while. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So far so good on the hair. I've not had any problems with shedding. I wore the hair in its natural state for about a week, and I really liked the way it looked. It was really pretty. I even wore it outside while it was wet. And I feel like your curly hair routine is going to definitely matter when you're doing your hair, because the curls come out different. Like, as you saw in the video when I showed you like the clip, in its natural state, the hair was more of like a wavy. But when I wore the hair out for the week that I was wearing it, it was way more curly. So it definitely depends on your curly hair routine. What I did, if you want it more curly, I would say wet it, and then you brush through it, and then you crunch it up. You can also use a diffuser, like, you know, to lock in those curls, make them tighter. That would work as well. So if I was going to give this hair a rating, I would definitely give it about 8 out of 10. I think that it is a really good wig, and I think that the company is absolutely professional. Wondering about shipping. Shipping was under a week. Very quick shipping. The packaging was cool. Everything about it was fine. I really like this company, and I would definitely like to try out new units from this company as well. So yeah, I would definitely recommend them. I'm gonna have the links to everything down in the bottom bar. If there are coupon codes, links to other units, all of that from this company will be down in the bottom bar, so don't forget to check the bottom bar. If y'all have any questions for me, I can let me know, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, rate this video, all of that good stuff. Let me know how y'all like this hair. Would you wear it in a natural state, or would you curl it up and style it? Let me know what y'all think. All right, I will speak to you in my next video. Bye y'all.